Mengo SS na Sorot SS okwika mpaka z'akamaririzo ziritini nagana amashomero garukurenga mu 30 okurugomba icweka bitari mwenda mwe bihanga. Mengo SS yawe kirabo cha miliyoni 10, Sorot SS yawe ya kabiri yawe kirabo cha miliyoni 7 n'icweka, kandi na Bisunsa Girls SS yawe ya kashatu hamwe na Seta High School Main Campus yawe ya kana zahebwe kirabo cha miliyoni 5 buri yemwe. Ibyo bicari yaho St Mary's Vocational School erukushanga muri Cyamuhunga Bushenyi nibo barangerwa nka champions ba projects zona eza Green Schools Chete Green Schools Initiative Project. Aba bahewe kirabo cha miliyoni 12, rero Mere Hill School yabe ya kabiri yatunga miliyoni 10, kandi Iganga SS yakwata umwanya gwa kashatu yatunga miliyoni 7 n'icweka. Umukoro gwahiko abantu bingi aba barumuna mukuru wa Vision Group Don Wanyama bimwe habinte bigenererwaho mu kushare mpakezi harimo kugamba jorungereza okushobora jahanshonga no kugamba ibinte bikire na munongo kurwana sempinda yenduka yembera yensi hamwe no kutungura ibyo buhangwa. Empaka za Green School zikatongozubwaho mu 2022 aho mashomero garukwika 10 agasini yo kurwo mu ihanga ryona geta biro mu mpaka zo mwakogu ahansi yo muramagwa innovations that work ninga shokuhanga hanga kurukora.
We think that carpooling basically applies for individuals that don't like have vehicles majorly, but does not basically cater for individuals that have their own vehicles. Why? Because these people sort of value their privacy at the end of the day. So when you involve these individuals in this carpooling, most likely then compromise with their privacy.
The only reason why we have such a high carbon footprint in those countries is because 70% of the 1,844 million tons of carbon dioxide emitted in the USA is because of the large population of Americans owning personal vehicles, right? That amount of vehicles is then what is causing the carbon footprint to be high.
Ambassador wa Sweden mu Uganda owahika mukorogu yasima mashomera gabo ko yayo kwetabo muhoreji eyo kukume byobuhangwa.
And allow me here to begin by congratulating everyone who has participated in this initiative. As we've heard, we have over 30 schools here today and even more who have been taking part earlier, and this includes head teachers, teachers, and learners who have been part of this, all the way from the regional competitions through the preliminary and knockout rounds.
But we cannot also fail to thank Minister of Water and Environment who are championing the climate change agenda. We are very grateful for this because we work very well with them and they have tried to bring it out to everybody to know that climate change is an issue.
Alfred Okot Okidi umuhandiki mukuru mu Ministry y'Ebyamizo n'Obuhangwa nowe yaba mjenyi mukuru ha mukorogu kandi yashukira Minister w'Ebyamizo n'Obuhangwa.
It is an honor and privilege to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate the incredible achievements of our young environmental stewards in the National Green Schools Climate Change Awards.
Sacred Heart Secondary School Mushanga okorwa mu district ya Shema niyo yasingire mpaka z'umwaka guhwire nuko Mengo SS Sorot SS hamwe na Ntare School kurataho impaka zitebwa mu St Embassy ya Sweden mu Uganda hamwe na Agricultural Organization of the United Nations Gashakwa Abdukarim Sengendo.